Headless cyclonic cylinder vacuum cleaner. The machine offers 700 watts of power, gentle maneuvering on rollers, and comes with an easy-to-clean reusable dust cup, eliminating the need for disposable paper dust bags. Its cyclonic technology provides intense suction power that effectively draws in air, dirt, and dust. It comes with a triple action nozzle for thorough absorption of coarse and fine dirt. The vacuum cleaner's HEPA 12 air filter traps more than 99.5% of all fine particles for a cleaner air release. With a 1.5 liters capacity, this compact and lightweight vacuum cleaner comes with an integrated handle, a 5-meter cord, and a 1.5 meter adjustable hose, making it suitable for vacuuming stairs, upholstery, and for navigating around furniture. It carries an energy efficiency rating of A. The vacuum cleaner comes with a variety of accessories including a crevice tool, an upholstery nozzle, a dusting brush, a parquet brush, and an accessory holder. The crevice tool helps reach tight spots like in between couch cushions, and the upholstery nozzle is useful for cleaning furniture and drapes. The dusting brush is useful for bookshelves and tabletops, while the parquet brush helps in cleaning tile surfaces and hardwood floors. The accessory holder keeps all the attachments neatly organized and easy to access. The product comes with 2 years limited warranty against manufacturing defects. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For delivery, please refer to the product detail.